Hello, good day. It's craft time. Are you ready? Let's go. For today, let's make a basket of flowers like this one. Let's create an easy two-dimensional paper basket and fill it with paper flowers. This is a great craft to make for spring, Mother's Day, Valentine's Day, or any day you want to cheer up someone with a handmade basket of flowers like this. So let's do this step by step. Step 1, let's print out the basket template. Print out any of these basket templates. If you choose the medium size or large basket templates, print out the first page twice. The printed template should have 2 main basket pieces and 1 handle. So after you have your copy of your basket template, step 2 is to cut out the template. Cut out all 3 template pieces, as you can see. So after you cut out your templates, step 3 is to get a glue and glue the handle. Glue the ends of the handle onto the top portion of the basket pieces. Just look at the picture as you can see. Step 4, let's apply the glue. Okay, so apply glue along the outer edge of the basket piece. Look at the picture. Remember to leave out the top, only the outer edge of the basket piece. Now let's go to step 5. Let's glue the 2 basket pieces. Okay, glue the second basket piece on top of the first, aligning them at the edges. Like this one. Now let's go to step 6, the exciting part. We will decorate the basket. So as you can see in the picture, we have the basket already with decorations. So you can decorate the basket with stickers, bows, buttons, beads, and lots of other materials. You can also draw patterns or add some sparkle with glitter glue. So aside from decorating your template basket with other decorating materials, you can also create a woven basket effect by gluing short strips of paper. So cut out short strips of paper or washi tape into neat rows. Glue it into the basket into neat rows. Trim the excess length of paper strip or washi tape at the edges of the basket. Now let's go to step 7. Let's make some flowers. So here are some flower making ideas that you can try. First, you may draw, color, and cut out your own flowers. Or you may print out any of these flower sets or these flower shape sets. Color and cut out the flowers, just like in the picture. Or you may fold and cut out your own paper flowers, following our instructions for making folding paper flowers. Or you may Google it on how to craft. You may also craft neat colored coffee filter flowers. Wow, so we are on step 8. Let's add stems. Make stems by cutting 4-inch long strips of green construction paper or cardstock. You can also use craft sticks or pipe cleaners as stems. Glue a stem at the back of each flower, just like this one. Now that we are on step 9, put the flowers in the basket. Place the flowers inside the basket through the basket's top slot. As you can see, trim the stems if they're too long. So, how is your basket of flowers? Look, it's so beautiful. I know your basket of flowers is beautiful as well. So, we are now on step 10. Use your basket of flowers. Your basket of flowers can be carried around or glued at the paper background. Okay, so you can do anything you like with your basket of flowers. So I know you did a good job in making your basket of flowers. So see you next time until our next craft time. Bye bye.